Mr. Chairman, sorry for that. Bastos itong Atty. Matibag eh. Sayang yung pagka-lawyer niya, eh parang walang pinag-aralan. Pinagmamalaki na pinangyayabang pa niya na mas matalino siya, pero dito sa attitude niya eh hindi kagalang-galang, parang hindi nakapag-aral, Mr. Chairman.
Alam mo, kanina pa ako nakikinig eh. I even watched the video of Senator Pacquiao. I hope this is not covered up in immunity eh. Unang-una, Mr. Chairman, yung mukha ko ay pinaster doon, pinanggit doon. I want to know, ano ang kinalaman ko at trans ko doon sa pension time up. If Senator Pacquiao only read kay Piralo, buang kwento nito eh. Trans ko noon ng operator muna bago nag-PEMC. At tinastor yan sa PEMC, wala na trans ko dyan. Alam nyo, let's call a spade dito sa hearing na to eh. This is all political, Senator Pacquiao. Alam naman natin to, ito yung pinapasabi mo nung bago ka umalis eh. Nung umalis ka, na sinasabi mo, meron kang pasabog. Ngayon, as an incorporator, an independent incorporator.
Atty. Melvin Matibag.
Attorney Matibag, Attorney Matibag, can you
waive your immunity.
Atty. Melvin Matibag.
Attorney, hold on, Senator Pacquiao, Attorney Matibag. This is my committee, and you have no right of calling this hearing a political hearing. This is a budget hearing. The senators are entitled to ask policy questions. So you have no right of calling this a political hearing. You're out of order. You're no longer recognized. We've given you a chance to answer the policy questions, but instead, you insulted this committee by calling this a political hearing? Hindi naman fair yun.
So, Mr. Chairman,
Yes, go ahead, Senator Pimentel.
so you have declared Atty. Matibag out of order. So how do we implement it? We keep him muted for the rest of the meeting?
Yes, you should leave this hearing.
Okay. So
We will now, remove him from the WebEx list. So I'm directing the committee secretary to remove Attorney Matibag from the list here in WebEx. He's out of order.
Mr. Chairman, sorry for that. Bastos itong Atty. Matibag eh. Sayang yung pagka-lawyer niya, eh parang walang pinag-aralan. Pinagmamalaki na pinangyayabang pa niya na mas matalino siya, pero dito sa attitude niya eh hindi kagalang-galang, parang hindi nakapag-aral, Mr. Chairman. Sorry to my word, but yan ang totoo. Dapat magpakita naman ng paggalang. Akala mo kung sino